Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this another video tutorial on my channel and another special video related to the data scraping and web automation. So in this video, we will download videos from Instagram. I have 13 video URLs. This is video links copy.txt file. In the actual, I have basically around 297. So I cannot download 297. I only do give you the demonstration test just to ensure you that this software was working perfectly from my side and also available for my users. So I simply open Google Chrome browser first and start the application. When I start this application, it shows me the message. I open the tab and now you can see the bot start working. So it automatically write down the URL and you can see this process done. It simply go and start downloading images. One by one it download. Don't worry, maybe some sort of data skipped. Now you can see make sure during running this software your internet connection must be fast and stable. If you have a slow internet connection, then you will face a lot of performance bottlenecks issues. I have downloaded dental images because I am looking forward to build my affiliate marketing program, and through artificial intelligence and through web automation I am able to make this happen. So this tool is very useful for downloading data if you want to download huge data. So you can see this this process continues. You can download even thousands of videos without getting banned, without getting VPN, because this site was a great site. We can also integrate a few other sites. So you can do this because people want to download data, they want to scrap data, something like this. So these tools are very useful, very useful for so you have to do this one by one. You have to see the downloaded process. It at almost around 4 to 5 seconds. 4 to 5 seconds. If you have a good internet speed, it was around 4 to 5 seconds. If you have a slow internet, poor internet connection, then it may take 10-11 seconds, or application suddenly stop working because it based on completely PyAutoGUI library, the great automation library used to automate things. So through web automation we can make possibles, extremely possible. We can work on many complex solutions. So I think that's it's turn to end because I placed 13 videos. So these are downloading videos again and again, and Okay, so I have to make some sort of settings. So here are the videos. They are the multiple set of the videos, and another thing, it simply remove such kind of information from the file. So here is it. I usually forcefully stop this part working. So there are the list of videos I have downloaded from my PC, from my computer. Now you can check it. If you really want such amazing tool, you can simply send message to my inbox or approach me. I can give you this application. So I hope this was really helpful for you. So thanks for your time. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.